Okay, intro. Okay, one, on a hill far away to the Lord, the end of suffering and shame, and I love us where the peace and death for the world as the sinners was laid. So I cherish the old rugged cross that drop beside as I lay down. So I cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. On the old rugged cross, satisfied by the world as a wondrous attraction for me, for the dear Lamb of God, glory above, to bear it the dark of the ring. Chorus again, and so I'll cherish the old rugged cross that draws less I lay down. I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. Rugged cross, still the love of divine, the wondrous beauty I see. For 'twas on that old cross Jesus suffering died to pardon and sanctify me. On that cross I will ever be true. His shame and reproach gladly bear. Then he'll call me someday to my home far away, where his glory heaven will share. So I'll cherish the old rugged cross till my trophies are left as I lay and cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown, and exchange it someday for a